Can you see this behind me? So that's a castle. No, it's not a castle from 800 years ago. Building now, they started in 1997 and they're still doing it. I think they plan to do like 20-25 years, but you know, through all the projects you always have some obstacles. So they're still making it, and they don't use any like contemporary machinery. So whatever they use, to build, they will use the tools they were used before 800 years ago. So it's gonna be fun. I think it's quite interesting project, and it's cool to see how they're making the medieval castle from scratch with all kind of basic things they used before. So let's do, obviously we're gonna eat first, as you heard. I wonder how they make those stones and all the way up and to make it so safe.
Imagine stepping into the 13th century, not through a museum but through time itself. And what if I told you that this medieval castle isn't a relic, but a dream built stone by stone in our own time? In the heart of Burgundy, history isn't just preserved, it's reborn. This isn't a movie set, it's a real castle, being built the medieval way right now. No modern machines, no shortcuts. Just raw hands, ancient tools, and time. No shortcuts. In the world that moves fast, Guédelion slows down to remind us where we came from. Maybe the future isn't always about speed or technology. Maybe it's about remembering the beauty of creating something with our own hands. And standing here, you realize the past is not gone. It's still being built. I love it.
Sophie! Long hallways. No idea.
Maybe.
Supposed to be a church, but it's not finished, and now we are going there. Look at these beauties, they are so cute.
Something? It's okay, that's I'm making.
Не знаю, зачем да видим.
Guédelion isn't just a construction site, it's a living experiment in history. They're not reconstructing the past, they are recreating it.
It looks like this is the area where you can eat, and it's kind of funny and cozy, and you have a beautiful view on chateau. This is really cool, and it's a long line. I think it's on website you can buy like a course meal or 2-course meal, but you can say you can have some sandwiches, soup du jour, and things like that, separated desserts. And probably you wonder what I'm going to have, but you know, in the old time when they were celebrating something, or it was or it was a time to relax, they were drinking wine as far as I know, and beer. And because I don't like beer, I guess I will indulge in a glass of wine and a bit of food, because we already had a heavy breakfast. As you can see, there is 2 restaurants. So one that you're looking now You can sit upstairs and downstairs, and you can have a la carte menu. And this one is more like a canteen. You can find some sandwiches, sweet salads, and kind of simple thing. Of course, I choose a glass of wine. Looks like they made things from clay over here. As you can see, wherever you go, there are people dressed up in a kind of middle-aged style, and they're usually workers here. And on our way here to here, we noticed that they're asking for, they have lots of job opportunities. So if you're keen on to try something like this, you should come. And everybody look at me. Lots of stranger people, because I think there is like, during the year, there's like more than 300,000 people coming here watching them how they do their job. So yeah, it's
La possibilité de longueur de 2,5 cm pour un pouce, et bien tout simplement parce qu'on est parti analyser des structures aux alentours, notamment.
Si on fait assez tôt dans l'automne, il n'y a pas de souci, ça va déjà refaire des racines avant ça.
Here every hammer strikes echoes the rhythm of the 13th century. Each stone tells a story of patience, craftsmanship, and faith in the impossible.
oh, I did it.
Okay, I'll try a different one.
Mommy doesn't.
Watch me.
Mommy.
Oh, I can't see them.
It's very cute. They have also for the kids areas.
There you go. Why not?
Видим. What I usually like is a different kind of cups for a tea and coffee, handmade from from clay, souvenir style. Can't believe this is for sale. I never saw something like this. Let me see. Oh yeah? Yeah, look at those balls. It's attracted with these notebooks. And the looks of these are specialties. You can see the caramel burr. They're using lots of butter. Means that it's not GMO. Be interesting to try. It's original, not GMO flour. Of course, I took flour to try some, make ancient bread, to make some old-fashioned bread. I feel like out of time, definitely. It's so peaceful, but really like it's from 13th century. Okay, I'm going to wrap up here. The reason is like there is few more things to see, but we also have to go. And we've been told that at the beginning that 2.5 hours is the minimum, but I'm not sure about it, especially if you want to have a lunch as well. Definitely each spot takes a little bit of time. Firstly, even if you don't understand French, because they speak in French, they explain how they do what they do, but you can see also physically, you know, how it looks like, so you can get it if you're clever enough. I think you're all clever enough, so you can get the point like in the end, and you will understand few words because they are similar to English, and maybe you won't understand everything, but it's quite interesting to see. There are some animals. There is a path that we just took to the hydraulic mill to see how they made flour before. It's a beautiful walk through the woods. There is like each point shows, like there is a herbalist we're gonna see now. There is carpenters, and then lots of different spots for how they make the baskets and things like that. So I dare you actually to come, because it's so worth of time. But if you ask me, at least 4 hours, because when you come you can take a walk around castle. That would be number one. Then you stop, because next to the castle you have those 2 restaurants, so you can have a lunch, and then after that you can make a round on the other side of the castle. So I'll make a little guide, and I will post on my blog post. If you're not subscribed on my blog, where I have a little bit more information about the tours and things I'm doing, then you can read over there. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now.
Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next one.